Next to Normal Immersive is our first venture into transforming the Broadway show, Next to Normal, into a 60-minute, 360-degree immersive stage production in this incredible space at Ideal Barcelona. And we're doing something really new, emergent tech, intimate relationship with actors for an audience in the room, and then this kind of incredible spectacle of the designs of De Silence and our amazing sound and music team. We kind of like to think of it as immersive theatre for the Netflix generation. This is unlike anything I've ever made, and I think it's quite a thing. Broadway stars, we've got Tony Award winners in the cast on stage right next to you. Come and hear this incredible story and immerse yourself in Next to Normal.